Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna repot my mouse bamboo which I grow from seed, and here is it, it is so beautiful, but the pot is too small already, and I have to repot in the bigger pot to the new shoots to grow more thick, and we'll see just when they will take off. So I did buy a pot the size of 110 liters, so big. I never planted plants in such a big pot, but the bamboo I will plant in it because I love to grow bamboo. It's number 2 of my favorite plants, and let me show you the pot. It is just huge. As you can see, it's not fit in the camera. Awesome. I have to repot it. As you can see, so big. Look at it. And this is running bamboo. I don't want to ruin my garden, and I chose to plant it in the pot, and I'm gonna do that. So let's just start repotting. And if you remember when I grow from seed, I will let the link in the corner. It is the most popular video on my channel. So let's go for it. Now I should remove this bamboo from the old pot, but I have to destroy the pot already. I'm not sure how to remove it easy. And look at the new shoots, how they started to grow. Here one, another one, and this one, and this, and this. Very many shoots, and I'm sure inside there are more shoots. Look at it, it's beautiful shoots started to grow. And soon we have to repot in that bigger pot. Here in the hole of the pot I added these bricks, but I have to remove. Why I put them? And here is the root system. Look at it, it is thick. And it's brilliant. And look at this shoot, it is thick too. Awesome. Now I have to plant this bamboo in the new home, and let's do that. Now it's time to add potting soil in this huge pot, as you can see. And look at it. It is very good and rich in humus. I added my own compost and added universal potting soil, substrate, pH 5 to 6.5, and it is very good. The bamboo will love my potting soil, so let's just start. Now let's try to put the bamboo here, and after that we'll put more soil around it. So this is almost the final result. I'm so happy working the bamboo now. With the young shoots we have to be very careful not to break, like this for example. Well, now I have to water this bamboo plant, and with room temperature water, if you have rainwater, it is more good. So let's just water it. I am so happy that my work was finished, and this shoot now will grow free how it wants. It was stuck on the whole of the pot. That's it, but now let it grow and we'll see how tall it will grow. And yeah, I noticed another shoot started to grow with leaves here, as you can see. So after a while the soil will sit, and I'm gonna add more to not see the roots, And so looking now the final result, it is brilliant. So happy I am that I finished this. Now the question is, how do I will move it outside? It is very hard, the pot is huge, but someone will help me to move outside. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. It is a big accomplishment for me to grow this bamboo from seed and reach that size. It is just awesome, so energy comes to me now. That's it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day and greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I posting new videos. And if you want, can subscribe to my photography channel as well, so link is in the corner and in description. And I will catch you next time. Bye bye.